Hey friends, welcome to my channel. This is Veronica. So today is Saturday night and I'm going to shoot this video for you guys. What is my night skincare regime or how I take care of my skin at night. As you can see right now, I'm not wearing any makeup on my face, like totally nothing. I just removed my makeup and now I'm going to show you what are my products, how I use them, how I take care of my skin at night. So beauties, without delaying, let's get started. So friends, as I said, here I am having my three main products. As we all know, CTM is the main thing: cleansing, toning and moisturizing. So I'm using these green berry products. I recently bought this and I was just like, okay, let's try this, and I'm using it and I'm applying it on my face, and trust me, these products are too good. So these are my three products. The first one is green berry detox charcoal face wash. You can see this face wash has vitamin C, green tea and tea tree and all, and I just want something to cleanse my face very deeply, and so I just found this one from Green Berry Organics. And the best thing is that these three, all the products of Green Berry are totally organic and they are so natural and they are literally amazing. So I'm going to show you. So firstly, I'm using this Green Berry Detox Charcoal Face Wash, vitamin C, green tea and everything in it. As you can see, I'm already using it, so it's very messy. I'm taking very little amount of it. The best thing which I found in this face wash is that it moisturizes your skin as well. You can smell it. This is totally charcoal, lemon and green tea in it. It is so pure and so, I must say, so organic. This face wash is not harsh at all. This is very gentle and very mild. So now I'm going to wash my face with water. So friends, here I'm back. I just washed my face with normal water. Best part is that this face wash isn't gonna make your skin dry or rough or like that. It's like too perfect. All skin type people can use it. As we all know, charcoal is best for removing all the pollution, blackheads and everything. So this face wash is suitable for all skin type. So friends, our next step is toning, and for toning here I'm taking green berry green tea tea tree skin toner. I know you all are just thinking that why I'm using green tea products, because green tea is suitable for acne prone skin and I am having oily and acne prone skin, so that's why I always go with green tea and tea tree products. So this is Green Berry Organic anti acne and skin calming toner. So I'm going to spray it all over my face. Like this, and now I'm going to let it sit for 10 to 15 seconds. After spraying this toner, you have to let it sit for 10 to 15 seconds and then just wipe it out with your towel or any cotton pad. Just wipe it out very gently. And I just love this green berry product. So here is my green berry tea tree and green tea toner. So friends, our last step is applying serum, night cream or whatever you use. So here I'm using my Green Berry Bioactive Skin Lightening Face Gel. This is vitamin C serum. Not actually serum, it's a gel kind of face gel which I'm using because, as I said, I have an oily skin, so I can't apply that creams, moisturizers, because this will lead to that pimples and acne. So that's why I am very comfortable with this face gel, and this always makes my face so glowy and so radiant, because vitamin C again is amazing for skin brightening. So this is green berry. You can see this is Green Berry Bioactive Skin Lightening Face Gel. I'm taking 2 drops of it. This is sufficient. And this is like a totally liquidy gel kind of texture, and the best part is that this is non-oily, non-greasy at all. It's like a watery running texture, I must say, and this is too good. So beauties, here I'm done and I'm just going for my beauty sleep. So I'm going to share the link of these products in my description box. These green berry products are really amazing, and I'm totally in love with that because they are totally organic, so natural, and all skin type people can use it. So this is like a big thumbs up for this green berry products. Hope you have liked this video, hope you have enjoyed it. Please subscribe my channel, do follow me on Instagram. See you in my next video. Bye and take care.